Sharmishta, you can unmute yourself and.
Okay, thank you. Okay, our club member, Rotarian Jonaki Ghosh Thomas, is a professional counselor, psychologist, NLP associate coach and practitioner, and a breath mindfulness coach. She consults with Narayan Rudulaya Group of clinics in Bangalore, many educational institutions, and has a thriving private practice as well. She is closely associated with the famous spiritual organization Pyramid Valley International for over a decade now. Her expertise lies in handling relationship issues one may have within themselves, families, or with others. She has advanced skills to work with any age. Her integrated approach is sought after in workshops to sensitize and capacitate various professionals. As a service to humanity during COVID times, she has been running a free weekly mindfulness session from April 2020 that has now matured into a well-connected community, not only across cities in India, but in different countries as well. Continuing with her zeal as a true Rotarian with a belief of service above self, she will be taking a session on breath mindfulness for personal resilience today. So a grand welcome, ma'am, Jonaki Thomas. Thank you, over to you.
Thank you, Sharmishta, for your kind words. I was wondering who you are talking about. Is it really me? But okay, thank you. Thank you so much. That was really kind. So I would like to start sharing the information that I want to share with you right away. Is that okay? I'm going to start sharing my screen. So that I want to first explain that yes, we can get into mindfulness with faith that yes, if we can sit with ourselves, it will increase our self-awareness. But if we have some kind of a structure to it and we understand the science behind it, I think it's just easier to follow it. So I'm going to share my information, what I have on it with all of you. That's visible, right?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah, visible. Okay. So I want you all to understand as we practice mindfulness today that we can link this practice and understand it better in terms of energy science, right? So what do I mean by that, right? What I mean is, I will explain how it is, but I have the principles here right in the first slide, is that we are more energy and we are less matter. So when we are dealing with our own selves, we have to remember who we truly are and what is the best way to connect with ourselves. So we have unlimited potential because our thoughts can create reality. So the way we think and feel affects the way we act. And so we have the power to create our own reality. So at this time, especially in COVID times, when we are stuck at home and worrying about ourselves and everyone around us, what are we focusing on? Are we focusing on immunity, health, well-being for ourselves and everyone? Or are we focusing on the negative part of this entire episode? We'll look into it. So the science says that by elevating our thoughts and feelings, we can be healthy, we can elevate our state of being, and we can manifest our intention. So how do we do this? How do we understand mindfulness as an energy science? It's very easy because now we have scientists also catching up with whatever our seers have said 3,000 years ago, that the best way to connect with yourself is to go within. And we have scientists saying that if you want to understand the secrets of universe, you have to see and think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibrations. So today, when I take you and guide you into the music meditation, you will hear me saying things that will help you connect with the space that lies inside of you and the energy that flows within you all the time. So I'm explaining a little bit more about, what do I mean by the space inside us? What are we made up of? So we all know we are made up of atoms, right? We are, and if we have to understand what the science says, an atom is about 99 point that many nines, 9999, that much of empty space. And there are approximately 7, I can't even pronounce that number of zeros that come after it, atoms in human body. So what we imagine as being gross or solid is also made up of a lot of space. There is a lot of empty space within us. And if only we can connect to that space, we can draw deeply from that cosmic universal quantum field that runs through us and binds all of us together. So if you can imagine the emptiness that lies inside of us at subatomic levels, we can understand that we are probably more wave than particle. So there's a continuous information exchange that is happening at subatomic levels that we cannot see. It's a little bit like gravity. You can't see it, but you know that it is there. So to experience mindfulness, you have to start progressing into a meditative state. And hopefully I'll be able to help you get there today. So what are the benefits? Why am I talking about this today? Is because mindfulness, meditation is a very well-established tool for self-awareness and immunity and recovery from a lot of negative self-beliefs as well. So there are, in fact, in psychology, this is also an established science. There's something called positive psychology altogether, right? So what are the benefits? Let's look at the benefits. If we can connect with our own selves, mind becomes calmer, peaceful, joyful.
Jonaki, are you sharing the?
Yeah, can you not share the screen? Can you see?
No. I'm not able to see this. I'm just checking with others whether they can.
I'm sharing my.
I can see it, Gitanjali. I can see it.
Okay.
Yes,
Maybe I'll have to. Yeah.
You
Thank
can
you.
see.
Gitanjali, why can you not see it? Please see it.
No. I am on a speaker point. When I changed my view.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Please go ahead. Thank you. Sorry.
No. Good that you you did that. Yes, Shobha. I'm not able to hear you, Shobha.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Shobha can otherwise write in the chat.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. So I was talking about the benefits of mindfulness and meditation. So there's an increase of efficiency at all levels. Why do I say that? Is because for a normal human being, the number of thoughts that crosses our mind every single day is anything between 50,000 to 80,000. Can you imagine that? 50,000 to 80,000 thoughts that cross our minds every day. And the next part is more interesting. 90% of those are repetitive. So when we sit down in silence, and if we can focus on our breath, we are focusing on what we want to expand in our lives. So there is increase in efficiency at all levels. Thought power increases because we are focusing on what we want to think and not what disturbs us or distracts us, right? Obviously, memory power is going to be boosted because the recall also goes higher. Right? There is, there's decrease in required sleep time also for bodies to rejuvenate. This is for probably more experienced meditators. They'll realize that you're not getting that tired anymore. You can tap into this universal cosmic energy flow at any time. You can close your eyes and sit. So you don't need to sleep that much anymore. So yes, your time to engage with life increases as well. Wasteful habits drop away because you're focusing on only what you want, not getting distracted. Energy leakages are stopping slowly and slowly. healing will happen naturally. So this is something that you will experience probably. I'll explain that in my next slide as well, that when you close your eyes and sit, sometimes you'll feel heaviness in different part of the body. So what happens when the number of thoughts clogging our brain decreases and you're staying with your breath, cosmic energy flows inside you and it starts healing the parts that needs healing. Your immunity, you're growing immunity naturally, and healing will also happen naturally. So there is a little discomfort at times. You may feel a little pain or something, but just stay with it. Just stay with it. It'll go away. Relationships are more meaningful. Purpose of life is better understood. So I face a lot of this question in my counseling sessions. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know the meaning or the purpose in life. So everyone has come this is everyone's journey. You have to understand your own purpose and meaning in life through your engagement. So the beauty of life is that it's a journey, and we have to figure out where we can contribute and where we are really, adding value to ourselves and others. So everybody's purpose cannot be same. And this part, the moment we connect with ourselves and give ourselves the time to focus on what we want, this becomes a little clearer. So what are the different experiences you can have during meditation? This is what I mentioned in my previous slide as well. You may feel a little bit of lightness or weightlessness in your body. You may feel like, you're floating. There might be some heaviness in the head or different parts. Sometimes in deep meditative state, you see different colors. There might be mild to severe pain. Sometimes people have mentioned the lower back area because, energy flows. It's a part of the energy. There's a whole nadi system through which energy flows. So it could be different parts. There could be whirling sensations. You may feel like you may see vivid visions, and it's all okay. Just keep coming back to breath. The idea is to focus your attention on one thing, and so that it connects you very quickly. So this experience that I'm going to take you through today, the breath mindfulness experience, it was actually, it's an age-old technique which was taught by Buddha, Anapanasati meditation. Ana is in breath, Apana is out breath, and Sati means to be with. So just stay with your breath. Breath is your bridge to that emptiness inside of you. And from where we can draw deeply healing and wholeness, peace, immunity, whatever it is that we wish to have today, and whatever it is that we wish to connect with, right? So the last principle, where attention goes, energy flows and manifestation happens. So dear friends, I'm going to invite you to just leave your thoughts behind a little bit today, and give yourself, just allow yourself to enter the process that we'll all enter as a group and experience. Give yourself the chance to see what you'll experience. Just stay with your breath. I'm going to play some music so that it becomes a little pleasant, but I'll keep guiding you. Okay, so for the next 15-20 minutes, close your eyes, open your glasses, sit comfortably, please. You don't have to sit on the floor with your legs crossed. No, just sit comfortably. Whatever makes you comfortable, please sit comfortably. Take a back rest because you're going to be sitting for 15 minutes. It's more important to be comfortable. The only thing is, please cross your fingers into fingers like that. Put it in your lap. You'll be closing your eyes because we want 80% input to stop to your brain. The moment you close your eyes, 80% input to your brain stops. So open your glasses, close your eyes. If you can, please cross your ankles as well, because then you make a circle and there's no energy leakage when you close your eyes and focus on your breath, okay? So as I'm going to get into and play some good music for you, and we'll start with a chant that I love very much. It talks about fearlessness. Let's get into it together. Dear friends, please open your glasses, sit comfortably, close your eyes. We are getting into breath mindfulness meditation. Very easy. Close your eyes, fingers into fingers, and be with your breath. No forceful breathing, dear friends. Stay with your normal, natural, calm in breath and out breath.
अभयप्रदा मणिगणै नानाविधैर्भूषिता
Stay with your breath, dear friends.
पार्श्वे शक्तिभिः
Bring your awareness to your nostrils. Are you breathing deep or shallow? Observe. Is it cool?
भक्ताभीष्टफलप्रदा पङ्कजशङ्खपद्मनिधिर्युक्ता
If your breath is cool, it's your in breath. If it's warm, it's your out breath. Surrender to your breath. As you focus on your breath, it will get lighter and lighter, and your mind will get emptier and emptier.
अभयप्रदा मणिगणै नानाविधैर्भूषिता भक्ताभीष्टफलप्रदा
Close your eyes, dear friends. Sit comfortably. With your fingers laced into each other, ankles crossed. Get into breath mindfulness meditation. Allow yourself to come back to your breath anytime, any thought disturbs you, distracts you, just come back to your breath. Allow your breath to bridge you to that space deep inside of you. Keep your eyes closed with your fingers laced into each other, ankles crossed. Sit comfortably and surrender to your breath. According to quantum science, we are very little matter and much, much more energy. We meditate to merge with that quantum energy field inside of us. Allow your breath to bridge you to this void, this emptiness, which is a field of infinite possibilities, the creative space of heightened vibrations. Be one with your breath. Allow yourself to follow your breath and go deeper and deeper inside of you till you can sense the energy flow inside you, all around you, on your left hand side, your right hand side, and far, far beyond this room. Keep your eyes closed. Sit comfortably. Place your fingers into fingers. And surrender to your breath. Allow yourself to get into this emptiness where there is no one, no thing, in no place, and no time. Stay aware of that energy. Stay with your breath. As you focus on your breath, thoughts fall away. And recognize that this is when we allow our body to function at its best.
We allow our body to develop immunity in the most natural way and protect itself from all thoughts that do not serve us anymore. When you focus on what you want, it expands. Be one with that breath. Don't open your eyes, dear friends. For another 5 minutes, dear friends, stay with your breath. Keep your eyes closed. The moment you close your eyes, 80% input to the brain stops. Releases so much energy for healing. Allow your breath to lead you to this quantum energy field from which you can draw so deeply of whatever you need today. Healing, compassion, peace, success. Any heightened vibration. Draw deeply, dear friends. Remember, our needs are met with grace and ease when we hold gratitude as our primary emotion. At the deepest level of reality, there is this field of energy that gives rise to all forms of creation. Thoughts, positive, negative. What are we choosing today? Allow yourself to stay with your breath and draw deeply from that quantum field inside of you. With your eyes closed, fingers into fingers, ankle crossed, sit comfortably, dear friends, and stay with your breath. Whenever thoughts distract you, come back to your breath. Allow all the thoughts that do not serve you to leave you. It's possible. When you focus on what you want, it expands. Attention energizes, and intention transforms. Pay attention to what you want drawing today. At this time, I'd like you all to allow your breath to connect you back with your bodies. We will slowly get ready to exit our session with gratitude. For gratitude is the highest form of receivership. Let's get ready to express gratitude as we slowly exit this mindfulness space. Be aware of what are you feeling? What are you bringing back to yourself? From all that is possible, let's get ready to express our gratitude. Dear friends, we are lucky to be alive at this time of history. Let's start with thanking our parents, for they have given us the physical life as we know it. Can we thank our teachers and mentors for expanding the knowledge and increasing our consciousness? Let's thank our friends and family for teaching us joy, adventure, love. Let's thank Mother Nature for her unconditional presence. The mountains, oceans, trees, flowers, pets. Let's thank ourselves for choosing to expand and grow, for taking care of ourselves, taking care of others around us. And lastly, let's thank the universal consciousness, which has chosen to expand itself through us, offering us change, choices, every moment of every day, to grow into the best version of what we can possibly be, to self-correct, to live laugh, and enjoy our lives. Whenever you're ready, dear friends, please rub your hands together and hold it over your eyes for 5 seconds.
Wonderful session.
Thank you, Piali. Thank you.
I really liked it. I came back after 10 days. It's so refreshing. I tell you, I can't tell you more. I swear. So refreshing, so refreshing. Brings back life. And I was floating, as you were talking. It was really
I'm
floating.
glad you connected. How is Kolkata? You're calling. You're there, right? You're in Kolkata.
Yeah, I'm in Kolkata. Kolkata is not good, my dear.
Oh.
Kolkata is now into festive mood, so I'm quite apprehensive.
Please be at home and please stay safe and meditate.
I have to, yeah, I do, but I will. I have to be, I'll be going out for another 10 days before the puja sets in on work. But during puja, no, nothing.
Thank you. Thanks
Now,
for joining.
let the others.
Yeah, thank you, Janaki. That was wonderful.
If anyone has any questions, I can take or.
Yeah.
Thank you, Radhika. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your kind message.
Thank you. Okay.
I think people are writing, sending messages.
Right. I have a question. I mean,
Yes.
it's very difficult. Yes. Subir will laugh at me, that I these days, I'm a very hyper person, right? So it's very difficult to sit on a meditation. And I think the biggest challenge is, go blank.
So I think it's just a question of taking one step at a time. So I think forget about it. Instead of struggling with it, if you can just close your eyes and sit 10 minutes at a time, that itself does a lot of trick. And I know how intensely engaged you are with everything that is going around you. So this could be the magic wand that you need, actually, honestly. You just have to try it. And a new habit, you have to continue at least for 21 days, right? You know that.
Oh, okay, there's 21 days.
Yeah,
Okay.
21 days. So minimum is 21 days. And the younger ones catch up quickly. So for people who have deep set neurocircuitries like me and you, we probably need 40 days. But
oh, okay.
yeah, 21 days is a well-researched thing, and and someone has got Nobel Prize for that, saying that it takes 3 weeks. So whenever we learn something new, our brain makes thousands of new connections. It can go from 1,000 to 1 lakh new connections. But if they are not repeated for 21 days, they fall back automatically to the original level. So hence the science behind why you have to do things for 20 days, 21 days. That's the science behind it.
Okay. So any questions?
21 days, sorry.
अरे वही तो बड़ी मुश्किल की बात है तो okay, Shiv has Shiv, I think you can speak. Shiv, unmute yourself. Yes, mention some sorrow for me as well.
Yeah, very good evening to everyone. Yeah, I don't know. As I was going through that, at some stage, I just felt tears come down my eyes, and I wasn't thinking of anything sad, but it just came through, and then so I don't know what it was, but probably something inside my mind which has been troubling me. So
No,
guess
this is
that's
a
it.
very, thank you for sharing that, Shiv. I really appreciate your coming and telling me this. Thank you.
Yeah.
But it is a very common occurrence. When you sit in silence, a lot of release and healing happens automatically. So don't dig so much into it. You know, you don't have to be here all the time. If you're here at
Yeah.
times, it's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think it was a very endearing sharing. Thank you. Just stay with
Thank
it.
you.
Don't
Hi.
intellectualize it.
Sure.
Yes. Hi.
Hi, Jonaki. I'm Rukmini. I joined the session very late. I think I was able to take part only for 10 minutes, but I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Thank you.
And would be very happy to be part of your next session because I do want to make this a part of my daily life if I can. It was really beautiful. I've had a long day. I was actually not sitting in the position. I was just lying down, and I was actually about to do something for a friend, and I suddenly remembered that, okay, this session is happening, let me join. And it was wonderful.
Thank you, Rukmini. Where have you joined from? Thank you.
I'm in Bangalore, but originally from Calcutta. So when you spoke about Kolkata, that
Yeah,
struck
because
a chord.
people are joining from different places today. So
Yeah. So I'm in Bangalore, but yes,
so
I
I hold a free meditation. You know, in the beginning, someone introduced me and they were telling that I hold free meditation sessions from 7 to 7:30 every Wednesday weekly. So maybe
lovely.
you can share the link and maybe
Janaki, you can share that link. Next time I'll keep sharing it, so it becomes like everyone can join it on a regular basis.
Thank you so much, Rukmini. Thank you for
So
joining.
I don't know where I would. I used to work in the Spastic Society of Karnataka, so that's where I got the link from. So I mean, if you could let me know how I would get the link.
So I'll. Okay, Spastic Society, a lot of my friends are there. So Shobha's there, Mrs. K is there, Raji ma'am is there, and so many people. So I'm going to send the link to them and one of them is going to find you.
Great.
Rukmini, you can also check if you're on Facebook, you can check our page, Rotary eConnect.
Okay, I will do that.
Yeah. I just wanted to say
Thank you so
something.
much.
Jonaki, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Mrs. K.
It's been a great session, and I would like you to do this with some of our parents sometime.
Of course, whatever you ask me. I mean, I'm happy to do this, and this is my service. And if you give me the chance,
I tell you, it was I don't know how to explain to you. I think it gives a sort of peace to your whole body.
Yes.
To begin with. Yes. It tells you keep quiet, hold your hands. Okay. So there is a control. Then I think I don't want to elaborate on that. You've done a wonderful job. I think then the moment you start controlling all your senses and come to some kind of understanding, I think that's what the body and mind and everything needs. And for our parents, this is so important. Their minds are all the time on the child, and I mean, I don't have to explain to you, you've been having a lot of experience. So, is it possible, let me talk to Shobha and others at the center. Would it be possible for you to conduct these sessions?
Of course. And maybe
properly.
Yes.
And we'll get back to you. Let me talk to my group and we'll get back to you. I think it'll be great. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you so much, Mrs. K. I'm so happy you joined, Mrs. K, because I know Subir and Gitanjali are so happy to have you here. I wanted you to meet them. Subir, this is Mrs. K of, we call her lovingly Mrs. K, but she is, Rukmini.
Yes, ma'am. Probably for this parent session, I think from our Rotary Club itself, we can do it, Janaki. Like including ma'am addressing our district or something like that. Definitely, ma'am will be more than happy to do that.
I'm so happy you joined, ma'am.
And thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
The other thing was, when some Guruji is doing this, you're very tense. In a way. With you, there was no tension. And that's the whole mind. That is personality. That's your personality, Jonaki.
Thank you so much. You're kind. You're kind.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
It's very sweet of ma'am to say that, and it's so true actually. I think she said the right word. I think there's this connection which is also important, whether you're like taking it from a guruji or it's all about making the other person comfortable in like that connection need to be there. I think we all felt that connection today. Yes, anyone else has got a...
I have a question, Jonaki ma'am.
Yes, Sharmishta.
Sharmishta here.
Yeah.
So I also felt like tears
Yeah.
before tears situation, and I saw so many different colors.
Yes, well done. You connected. Awesome.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, good. You guys are already there. I don't think you'll need 21 days. Maybe 7 days will do.
I'm the only person. Probably I need 3 months or 4 months, I think.
You might surprise yourself, Gitanjali. You might surprise yourself. But
So you mean I am progressing?
of course you are.
Oh,
The
thank
very
you so
fact that
much.
you have sat down for 20 odd minutes with your eyes closed, that itself is progress. Body is
Okay.
healing, mind is settling down. You're allowing the breath release. You're not trying to intellectualize it. You've let go. So that's a process. So I'm happy that you could do that. And I'm happy that it happened for you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thanks.
So Janaki, Subir here. So
Hi.
it's raining very heavily here. So, too much of noise.
Yeah.
But even with that, I never could realize that the time passed so fast. And in between, I possibly dozed off for a few minutes. So
That's normal also, please. Initially when you do it, everybody sleeps off because body, you don't realize how much stress you're carrying. So it's a de-stressor, no? The moment you close your eyes, you stay with your breath, you will relax. And it's normal for people to sleep. So good. I'm glad that you guys are giving such positive feedback. So it worked for a lot of people. Thank you for sharing. Thanks.
Yeah, anyone else has got any question or want to say something?
Sonaki, thanks a lot for this beautiful experience which I have experienced.
Ma'am, thank you
I
so much.
experienced.
I know that you've encouraged me so much. Everyone, Raji ma'am is secretary to Mrs. K from Spastic Society of Karnataka. So I know that the entire team joined today, and I really thank you all for the support. Mrs. K, Raji,
Thank you, Janaki.
Shobha, everyone. Thank you so much
Thank
for all of you joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonaki. Keep it up. Good work. Okay.
thank you.
Janaki.
Thank you. I would like to take a minute and share that it was really a wonderful evening with so many of you joining for this session, and we will also have we'll be very happy to, and we are very keen to have ma'am also for one of our sessions in the coming days. I hope ma'am will be able to spend some time with our group and address the people here.
Yeah, you have to say that it's Rukmini ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, Rukmini ma'am. Sorry. So Rukmini ma'am, yeah, we will like to have you in coming days, and we'll be certainly benefited with all your wisdom and listen to you.
Definitely, I will.
She's very accomplished. Ma'am, please say yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shook my head. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think no. Anyone else?
Yeah, I want to share.
Yes, Mala.
Yeah, Mala. So I really enjoyed the session. One thing I want to share with you, I too used to do meditation. When we are doing meditation, at times we too yawn and there will be tears in the eyes. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Your body is relaxing. When do we
Pardon?
yawn?
No, felt tears in the eyes.
Yes. No, those are no normal thing. That means you are already progressing on this path. You are connecting and you're letting go. So you're not stuck here in your mind thinking. You're letting, you're being.
Okay, thank you. Janaki, one thing I really appreciated in the session, you gave an explanation for the breath. When you hold the breath, it is a sense of gratitude in your mind. When you release the breath, there is a healing. No, that part I really liked. No one gave that kind of explanation so far. When you do the meditation, you said no. When you are holding the breath, you feel the feeling of gratitude. Yes, it's really nice. Really nice. I really enjoyed your session. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So many people you have joined. I'm not able to see all of you, but and your cameras are not on. But thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate it.
Anytime I'll open my camera. I am Mala. I am also from Spastic Society of Karnataka.
Thank
Nice
you.
to see
Thanks
you.
for joining.
Look forward
Mala.
to
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot.
Thanks so much. Thanks all of you. I know that
Thank you.
you know, we are reaching close to time, and they have Rotary has another meeting lined up, so I don't want to take too much of your time, but I really want to appreciate that you have given me a chance to serve. A lot of people have worked upon me, so this is my chance to serve. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Thanks, Subir,
Pleasure.
for
Thank you.
letting me
Thank you.
you know, hold the
Yeah.
session.
Yeah, I request Sharmishta to say a vote of thanks. Janaki, we are proud that you are our club member, and thanks again for taking this session. And I think we let us
Nice
take
session.
it forward and keep taking such sessions for the good of the humanity. You know, like so.
Sure.
It's
Anything I can do to support.
yeah, yeah, Sharmishta, please.
Okay, thank you. Jonaki ma'am, it was wonderful. So I will not be able to express my gratitude. And I'm sure everyone here have felt some difference. And with this, I think we will carry forward whatever we felt today. And, you know, we will continue to progress in our spiritual world. Thank you so much for spending this time. So we are looking forward for our next session with you.
Done. Ask Gitanjali and Subir. They get to decide.
No,
We
you are
certainly
a
have. I think
family. Yeah, you are a family, so it's absolutely, you know, like we will be taking it forward for
Nice.
sure.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for coming, all of you. I may not
Yeah.
know all of you, but thank you. I really appreciate your giving time and coming here.
Thank you to all the participants. So we will end the session here today. See you all again in the next session. Bye. Have a nice
bye.
weekend.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Good night.